Byte, Pixel, we've got trouble. Someone's trying to guess our passwords.
Uh-oh.
Hey, I'm gonna sneak right in.
That's the fox, the password bandit.
Ha! Too easy.
Whoops, that password was way too simple.
A strong password is long and mixes up letters, numbers, and symbols.
Go, Byte, go! My boxer loves running in the yard 2026.
That's it, mix it all up.
Wait, what? I can't guess that.
No, not again!
Yes, way to go, Byte.
Great job, team. Strong passwords keep us safe.
Beep boop! Yay! Yay! We did it! Strong password, keep us safe. Mix it up, don't be late. Numbers, letters, symbols too. A strong password protects you.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more Kyber adventures and stay safe out there.